Hey, Fixing Expert family! Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking of installing parquet flooring but feel a bit intimidated by the process, don't worry. Today, we're breaking it down with 5 super simple hacks that will make your DIY parquet flooring installation smoother and totally pro-looking. So let's get started. Hack 1. Pre-plan your layout. Before laying down any planks, take time to pre-plan your pattern. Parquet flooring often comes in intricate designs like herringbone or chevron. Lay out your pattern dry to get a sense of how it will look in your space. This saves you from mistakes and ensures you get the alignment just right. Hack 2. Level your subfloor. For parquet flooring to look flawless, your subfloor needs to be flat. If there are any bumps, uneven spots, or imperfections, use a leveling compound or sand down the rough spots. A smooth foundation ensures your parquet pieces adhere properly and stay in place long term. Hack 3. Use adhesive strategically. Not all adhesives are made the same. Make sure you're using a high-quality adhesive that's specifically meant for parquet floors. Spread the glue evenly using a trowel and work in sections. This keeps the adhesive from drying before you get to lay down the planks, ensuring they stay securely in place. Hack 4. Mind the expansion gaps. Always leave a small expansion gap between the wall and the parquet flooring. Around 10 mm is perfect. This allows the wood to naturally expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity, preventing buckling and other damage over time. Hack 5. Finish it off with a roller. Once your planks are in place, use a roller to press them down firmly. This ensures the adhesive bonds completely, giving your parquet floor a uniform and professional finish. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy hacks that will take your parquet flooring installation to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Fixing Expert for more home improvement tips. Need more help with your DIY projects? Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.